But now I've looked after another piece of wood, and I decided to take this one here. And so let's get started. So now the handle is ready. The ferrule fits. And now I have to cut it off here. And then a nice little handle is finished. This is my handle. And now I will put on a massive blade. Something like this here. And then it will be a very, very nice screwdriver. So let's do it. So now the blade is ready. Look at this. What do you think? And now I'm thinking about how long my screwdriver will be. What do you think? 20 centimeters? Or what? Is it too long? Is it too short? Is it looking great? I think 20 centimeters will be looking good. What do you think? So let's put the parts together and then we will do the finish.